Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to fund your gray account with Naira. So peradventure you are new to this, just pay attention. I'll show you the easy way to go about that. So for you to fund your gray account, you need to have generated your Naira account on gray. So if you don't know how to do that, I already made a video on that in my previous tutorial, so I'll drop the link to that video in the description. So just go and watch that video so you get to learn how to generate your Naira account, how to generate your US account, even how to verify your gray account. So just proceed and come over here, click on the drop down arrow, then go to where you have your Naira. Can you see Nigerian Naira right here? So right now it's on my Naira account. I can either tap on this and come over here, then copy this account number right here and just go and transfer to it, or I can just come to where it shows add money. Can you see add money right here? So either of the two works. So if you come to add money, so right here you can pay with bank transfer. That's the easiest. Just choose on add via bank transfer. So once I click on that, it brings me back to that place we left earlier. So I just copy the number. You can see that I have a Wema Bank right here. So once I copy it, I'll just go to my OPay and make the transfer to this account number. So you can see that I have about 15 in my Naira account. So I just log into my OPay right now. So let me just go ahead and make the transfer to the number I just copied. So I'll click on to bank, and over here I'll paste the number right here. Can you see? So once I add 1000, I'll click on confirm. I'll click on continue. I'll click on pay. Then I'll put in my PIN right here. So you can see the payment is successful. So let's go and check if it has actually reflected on the gray account. So I just proceed and go to my gray account. So you can see we have 15 here. So once I refresh this account, you get to see that it will increase to 25. Can you see that? Now we have 25 on our gray account. So that's basically how you go about funding your account. So do it to like this video if you got value, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.